Hi, I am Tanya Dimitrova. My students call me Miss D. I'm a science teacher here in Austin, Texas. In a class project earlier this year, I had my students pick and read a primary research paper from an environmental science journal. You know, the kind that publishes cutting-edge, peer-reviewed scientific findings. So, here are some of the titles of papers they picked.
A comparative analysis of the greenhouse gas emissions intensity of wheat and beef in the United States. Or radiocarbon-based source apportionment of elemental carbon aerosols at 2 South Asian receptor observatories over a full annual cycle.
Right? Imagine my students' confusion and fear from such educational materials. Yet these papers contain important findings. The first one calculated that consuming a pound of beef results in 30 times more carbon emissions than consuming a pound of wheat. In the second, the scientists figured out that half of the soot in air pollution over Asia comes from coal power plants, the other half from cooking with open fires. Hence, neither of these activities could be ignored if we wanted to breathe fresh and clean air. Well, couldn't the scientists just say that? I know, right? But that's exactly the problem. Most climate change and environmental science is conducted and reported in specialized scientific journals. Kids have the right to know the state of the science regarding the world they're inheriting from us. That's why we decided to create and publish a science journal for kids. We will adapt primary research papers with age-appropriate language and illustrations. We already started. Check out the first paper I mentioned.
Its title became, "How much does it cost when cows burp?"
I showed it to my students and they loved it. Check it out for yourself at earthsciencejournal.org. In addition, we want to offer lesson plans and supplemental teachers' materials with each adapted paper.
For example, we can offer a slideshow, a mini quiz, a hands-on lab, even a short video trailer for each new paper.
I am super excited about this project. It is the culmination of everything I have done so far in my life. First, I'm a scientist myself. I have a bachelor and a master's of science in energy and natural resources from UC Berkeley. Second, I worked as a science journalist for years before becoming a teacher. Both as a journalist and as a teacher, breaking down scientific findings and making them understandable and accessible comes as a second nature for me. My motto is, what is the point of doing science if we cannot communicate the results? But I need some funds to start this project. Rewriting each paper, having the scientists review it, designing the layout, recording the videos, creating the lesson plans and activities, and hosting everything online takes time and money. My passion alone would not suffice. I need your support to lift this project off the ground. Thank you.